Hi, everyone. I wanted to come on today with a quick tip that might actually save you some time and aggravation trying to figure something out, which would be why is Etsy charging so much for shipping when all the shipping settings are set up correctly? And it's something very simple. I always forget about this. And whenever anybody asks this question, it ends up being this. So let's go into Etsy and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about in this case. I'm in the shipping settings, and this would be how you set up a shipping profile. This is what you want to watch out for, this handling fee, because when you put a handling fee in here, let's say I have a $2 handling fee. Okay. So I've put that in, and what happens, this is added to the buyer's shipping total. They won't see it separately. Okay. But if you have free shipping, they are going to see it. So that's kind of weird for people. And if you have normal shipping, what this does is it adds $2 for every item, not every order. It's for every item in the order. So if someone orders 10 things in their order, it's going to add 2 times 10, which is $20 to the cost of shipping. And then the customer is going to see this exorbitant shipping cost, and they're going to think that you're trying to rip them off. So just don't put a handling fee in. If you need, I don't even know why you would want to put a handling fee in. If you want to do that, just increase the cost of your product, because that way you can offer free shipping without making it look weird for people. And it won't mistakenly add that up, because I guarantee you that whenever people say Etsy charged the customer $70 for shipping, I always forget about this. And then when we look into it, it turns out to be the handling fee. So just don't put a handling fee in there. Add it to the cost of your item if you have to. But it's really, there's no reason that you need one. And if you do think of a reason, put it in the comments, let me know. But it just is something that's going to mess up the shipping cost in the long run. So that's it. Give this video a thumbs up. I will talk to you later.